create your own Google site. So first, of course, you need to visit your Google Drive. So for example, this one. And if we are going to check these nine dots, as you can see, there is no Google site na option. So what we are going to do is you are just going to select new in your Google Drive, select new and select more or click more and click Google Sites. Yan siya. So while waiting for the Google site, as you can see, nag-loading siya. You can use Google Site if you want to create your own e-portfolio or your own website. It is just the same with um, other websites that we are using right now or others na ginagamit nila. Microsoft Google Site is one of the easy platform or site that we can utilize or that you can use if you want to create your own Google site. But of course, the features of the Google site is limited, unlike with the other features from the other website. So while waiting, let us wait. Ganyan talaga siya pag pag once masyadong mahina yung internet connection mo. Wait lang, ang laki naman ata ng picture ko dito. Wait lang. Uy, sorry. Yan. Ah, yun na pala. Okay, so for example, this one. So we have here your page title and untitled site. So for example, let's say e-portfolio. E-portfolio. So it depends on you if what could be the name of this page or name of your site. Then you are just going to click the untitled site. Sometimes if you're going to, you can just copy paste na lang. Yan siya. So if you're going to check, diba, e-portfolio na yung name niya, name ng website natin. And you can also, we have here different features. We have insert, pages, and themes. So if you are going to, let us choose first na lang themes. So we have here multiple themes that we can use or that you can use. So it depends on you. Let's say that we're going to use this one. Or I want to change it to maroon. As you can see, we have like lots of options, lots of features that you can use. This is just an example, ha, if what you want to, or what theme you want to use. So yan siya, just for example, or let's say this one. Ano ba mas maganda? Kayo na bahala kung anong theme yung gagawin ninyo or gagamitin ninyo. So now, let us proceed with insert. So in our insert here, we have here the text box, images, embed, or and drive. And we also have here the layouts. Of course, if you want to include some pictures, you can choose from different layouts here. And we also have here the collapsible text, table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forms, charts. Those are the applications or features that you can use or you can include on your Google site, in your Google site. So let us say that you're going to have the introduction. So let us insert text box. And you can type the other, your introduction or the other words that you want to include here. And what if you want to change the color of this like introduction? We have here the section background wherein wherein you can choose, pwede pala siya ma-remove, wherein you can choose regular, emphasis 1, emphasis 2, or image. You can upload or select image. If you're going to select image, you will have here options. Ang daming options na pwede mong piliin, other images. So let's just choose one. Um, alin ba dito? Di ko gusto. Ayan, ito na lang. If you're going to create your own Google site, you can explore this Google site. And also here you can change the image of the background or the header. The same, you can select, or you can also upload, you can select image. So if you're going to select image, pwede ka din mag-search ha. You can search sa Google. So let's say this one. Yan siya. It's just an example ha. And what if you want to include like let's say profile of each members. Dito na lang. Example lang ha. Members, and you have here different font style that you can use, but the options that we have here is only normal text, title, heading, subheading, and small. So of course, if you're going to use title, malaki talaga siya, pang title siya. Yan. And yan siya. Let's say my name. And you're just going, if you want to include pictures, you can upload, select image from Drive, YouTube, calendar. You can include the videos here, or calendar, depends on your map. And you're just going to include like, I like, or introduction or information about yourself, like, I like color maroon, I like maroon, I like to eat, I like to travel, ganyan siya. It depends on you if what are the information that it's okay with you to share. Wag lang yung mga detailed na masyado na mga information na hindi na masyadong delikado, ganyan siya. And what if you want to include two pictures? Yan siya. You have here layout na pwede siya for two pictures and other layout. So, another is, what if you're going to want like a display or presentation of pictures? You can use image carousel. This one. You For the image carousel, a carousel must have at least two images. So you can upload two images. So let's say this one, two or more. Two or more, huh? You should be careful in like if you're just going to download some images. Dito kasi sa Google site is they're not going to accept the image if that is like PNG yung format. It should be JPEG. The format should be JPEG. Hindi siya nag-upload. Wait a minute. Wait, what's the problem? I don't know if like I have I guess this one. Yeah, okay. So, uploading na siya. Okay, so insert na lang natin. And you can adjust the image. It depends on what size you want. And dito din ha, for example, if you want to have like slides of your own pictures, you can just erase this one and you can like upload image carousel and yan siya. Let's try to preview ha, yung ginawa natin. Okay, so we have the title, the introduction, members. So ito yung sa image carousel. Yan yung lalabas. Okay, let's go back. So let's just assume that you already include some like sa other contents. Depends on you if what content. You can include again pictures, links or videos. It depends on you, or file. And for the collapsible text, like if you want to have, let's say, members, Ganyan siya. So, the purpose of collapsible text, of course, from the word itself, collapsible, mag-collapse siya. Once you're going to open, ito yung mangyayari. You're going to open the members. Yan siya. Members, then, yan. And what if you still have or you want to add another page? What if introduction lang to or home lang to? It's okay. Kung home lang yan, you can add here, add subpage. You can add like for members, ano pa ba? Content siguro, let's say content. Ano yung mga content ninyo, ilalagay ninyo. And references. Okay. So, for home, kung home siya, let's just make it the same with our Google site natin. And nandito yung table of contents niya, di ba? So, you can utilize like the collapsible text. You can include here like members, names nila. Example lang yan ha. And include pa natin content. You can enumerate here the content. Ano na mga content? Like let's say lesson 1 or activity. Depende na sa inyo ano yung title. It's just an example ha. Ito. So, if you created, we already have here page for members, content, and reference. So, mag-add pa tayo ng another collapsible text for references. Kung pwede na, it's okay ha if you don't want to use collapsible text. It depends on you. Yan siya. So, this is our home. Ito, if you will check this one, nakalagay siya dito na under siya sa yung members, content, and references, under siya sa members. The good thing about Google site is drag and drop siya. So, we can just drag this one. Wait, drag natin. Ayaw niya, wait lang. Hindi siya nag-follow. Wait. Sorry, I just forgot. May mali ako nagawa. I-delete muna natin ha. Balikan natin. Delete. Ito pala. If you want to, like, nandito yung mga tabs, dito pala, you are going to add new page, like members. Mali yung kanina ha. I forgot. Mali yung nagawa ko kanina. Members, then, content, and references. Done. So, you're just going to drag para at least yung sa sequence niya. So, as you can see, nandito na yung home, members, content, and references. Hindi natin lagyan ng content ha, pero let's try from your home, dito sa home natin, how to link, i-link natin siya ha. So, for example, you're going to, first you want to open members, you are just going to highlight members, then you are going to select insert link. So, nakalagay dito, this site, ano na mga site, members, content, and reference. So, members tayo, apply. Dito sa content, highlight din, then content, apply, references, apply. Yan siya. So, again, i-view natin, members. Pag once i-click natin yung members, okay. So, gi-redirect tayo sa page ng members. Yan siya. That is the purpose of insert link ha. Ito. Let's put some content. Lagyan lang natin ng mga content. For the char lang siya ng mga content ha. And what if you want to like proceed to other page without using the insert link or yung ganon? You can include here button. The purpose of button is for you to proceed to other pages using the using button. So ito siya. We can have like back for home. Then button naman siya for content. Next natin siya for content. Insert. Masyadong dull yung nagamit ko na theme. You can choose your theme later on. Punta tayo sa content. Lagyan natin ng mga content. Okay, then button. Members. Back to members. Another button na naman for reference. Kasi i-next natin siya sa references. Yan. So, let's try to preview from members or from home. Preview natin ulit. Okay, i-click natin yung members. Pag once i-click, let's assume na nandito yung mga details ng members. Ganyan siya. Then, we can click next content. Okay, naka-next na siya. Then, pag once i-click din natin yung back, dapat magbalik siya sa members. Okay, that's it. Again, we can choose or you can choose your own theme. Anong gusto ninyo? You can be creative. You can make your Google site creative as long as it's not hindi masyadong madami yung color combination. Make it sure that you will utilize or you will create your own Google site na maganda siya and legible, meaning mabasa siya. Please always be reminded that if you're going to utilize different colors, diba, if your background is dark, you should use the font color should be light. But the good thing about the Google site is automatic siya mag-adjust based from the background. Based sa background mo, automatic mag-adjust. Yan siya, that's it. If you have some questions, may mga questions kayo, you can explore the other options later on. What I have discussed, what I have recorded are the things that is important to, by the way, before I forgot, of course, you need to publish. You need to publish your Google site. So you are just going to click publish and you are going to select or you're going to input the web address. So for example, ito e-portfolio nakalagay. So the web address will be https sites google.com uic.edu.ph e-portfolio. Yun siya. And may nakalagay dito, who can view my site? You can manage that one. You need to make sure that the people from UIC, the persons or the students, even the teachers, can view, diba? Can view your own Google site. So, nandito siya. May options kasi tayo dito na restricted, university, and public. Again, I suggest UIC lang, university, wag lang i-public para at least hindi access ng taga ibang school or public yung content ninyo. Yan siya, done. Then, you are just going to publish. So, what if, Miss, what if you want to, like, to change the themes, then na-publish na namin? Is it okay to unpublish? Yes. we have here the option that you can unpublish. Pwede nyo siyang i-unpublish. And dito ha, it's okay to share it with others if you want to edit at the same time. Diba? Like, um, i-add ko, like, for example, si Miss Edo, si Miss Iza, ganyan siya. Then, I can, if, kung, of course, kung gusto mo yung members mo or yung mga kakilala mo na maging editor, you are going to choose editor. Kasi pag once publish viewer lang, hindi sila pwedeng mag-edit. And you are just going to send. Yan siya. I-send mo para at least man-notify yung mga taong inad mo that they can edit your Google site. May settings, more, version history. Yun lang siya. Again, if you have some questions later on, or if you were not able to understand my step-by-step process on creating your own Google site, you can chat me through Google Hangouts or through Messenger. Just inform me if you have the difficulty. That will be all. Thank you.